Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the kingdom of Taloot. The Bani Israel had a system of government that used to run in such a way that there would always be a king among them who would operate the administrative matter of the country. And there would be a prophet who used to guide the people about the laws of Sharia and religious rulings. It had been established since long that the kingdom would be from the lineage of Yahud ibn Yaqub, and the prophethood would be always from the lineage of Lawi bin Yaqub alayhim salam. When Sayyidina Shamil alayhi salam was blessed with the prophethood, there was no king at that time. And the people of Bani Israel requested him to appoint someone as a king for them. Then, following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Sayyidina Shamil alayhi salam appointed Taloot as a king who was highly scholarly among the Bani Israel and had a strong build, but he was very poor. For his living, he either used to tan leather or herd goats. Due to this, the Bani Israel raised objection that Taloot is not from the royal family. So how can he be their king? They were more deserving for kingship as they belonged to the royal family. Since Taloot did not possess any wealth, so how come a poor person deserved the royal throne? In reply to the objections raised by the Bani Israel, Sayyidina Shamil alayhi salam delivered the following Quranic sermon. He said, Allah has chosen him above you and has bestowed him with vast knowledge and physique, and Allah may bestow his kingdom on whomever he wills, and Allah is most capable, all-knowing. And their prophet said to them, the sign of his kingdom will be coming of a wooden box to you, in which from your Lord is the contentment of hearts. This event provides several pearls of guidance. One clear lesson that we learn from it is that there are no limits of the favors and the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and if He wishes, He can make the most inferior of the people the most rich one with no time. You see, Sayyidina Taloot was a man with a weak social status and was so poor that he used to earn his livelihood either by tanning the leather or by herding the goats. But in an instant, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made him as autonomous king.